Hello everyone and welcome. This is a badly damaged sports car. The speed of the racing car and horrible accidents. Please watch ahead. The driver moves the vehicle horizontally, and it got into an unexpected location. The car had an accident at a high speed, but it still is quite gentle. The car is going quite fast around the bend. This accident is very likely to put the driver in serious damage. Try the feeling of destruction with a sports car. Racing cars are always something very special. The car in the distance begins to smoke, lost control and collided. A dangerous sport car accident, and fortunately he didn't hit any onlookers. This supercar is really picky about its terrain. It requires a lot of people, but it's not easy to move this car off of the road. An emergency braking phase. It burns out the tires of the car. If you dare to drive a sports car, just crash it somewhere. The driver who has lost control and he's forced to leave the game. This is a car crash into the valley. It will take a lot of people to pull it out. It's a bit of a pity to drive a sports car without trying it out first. A classic supercar performing, the driver lost control and into the tree. Driving is bad, but sitting in a car with a lot of money, well. Police are always obsessing about people who are playing with cars on the street. Where do you run to escape that car? The incident has caused the car to roll over easily. On the track, you should really consider the speed of your movements. An incident like this only slows you down or makes you unable to continue the race. A sports car has crashed. A few people are helping him get out of the car and move from the scene. It's a bit hard to believe that these two cars have a very special collision phase. The car behind rushes to overlap the car in front. This turn has really knocked down that simple car. one more incident at the roundabout where a lot of car racers were knocked out. If you sit in a sports car and you are being spoiled at will. That is an unexpected accident that has happened. A racing team is completing for the top. A car suddenly lost control for a long distance, and he crashes into the divider. This sports car seemed to have the perfect jump, but it sucked. Two cars are moving at the same speed, but due to an accident, the car on the right has crashed into the other car. This red car is in dire need of help. Tell me, how many dollars does it take to fix a car like that? These tires definitely have a problem, causing the driver to fail. When the speed is far too high, the brakes can't help the car out of trouble. Turn around and see a sports car. Maybe the people watching there should really be in a safer location. Fortunately, in this case, there is no danger to them. This crazy car racer is driving through the mud. Roundabouts hold the race car. Thank you for your interest in watching our videos. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Thank you and goodbye.